Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining today's class. Today, I want to consider integral calculus involving substitution method. The question that often comes out in external exams. But please, let's listen attentively. You have to evaluate integral of 2x, open the bracket, x squared plus 1, close the bracket, raised to power 3, dx. You have to follow it systematically. And you are going to say, let a particular letter to represent what is in the bracket. That's what I mean by using substitution method. You have to carry out assumption method. But you have to go back and replace your assumption back at the latter end of the question. Now say, let's write the question first. Integral of 2x open bracket x squared plus 1 close the bracket raised to power 3 dx. Now say let u, I'm using u to represent the letter, let u equals x squared plus 1. That's our assumption. You now say du dx equals to what? You are going to differentiate u with respect to x in this case. And don't forget the rule of differentiation. This is integration, but we are going to differentiate inside the integration. From the assumption, let u equals x squared plus 1. And under differentiation, when you're having y equals to ax raised to power n, you're not differentiating dy, you're differentiating y with respect to x, dy dx equals a dot n x raised to power, this n will come to the front, this power n minus 1. That's the differentiation method. Okay, and let's do the same thing. But when you are differentiating a constant, it will be 0. Now let's say whether you're differentiating 1000, 1 million will still be 0. Du dx now, because we are differentiating u with respect to x, there's 1 at the front of x. Now the 1 times these two will come to the front, x raised to power 2 minus 1 plus differentiation of constant 1 is 0. Now du over dx equals 1 times 2, that's 2, x raised to power 2 minus 1, that is 1, 2x raised to power 1, which is equals to 2x. And don't forget that at this junction, you're going to make the x the subject of the formula so that you replace it back in the integral. You have du over dx equals to 2x over 1. Let's cross multiply. You're having du times 1 equals 2x times dx. 2x times dx. You know, have du times 1, that's du, equals 2x times dx, that's 2x dx. And don't forget that you want to make the x the subject of the formula. You divide both sides by 2x. Divide both sides by 2x, so that 2x will cancel 2x. We are left with dx. Du over dx equals to, du over 2x. du over 2x. du over 2x equals to du over 2x equals to dx. Therefore, our dx equals du over 2x. Anywhere you see dx, you replace with du over 2x. Now let's go back to the integral question. The integral of 2x open bracket x squared plus 1 close your bracket raised to power 3 dx equals to integral of 2x. What our x squared plus 1? What do we use to represent x squared plus 1 is u. Let's put it, multiply by u raised to power 3, multiply by, what is our dx? Dx is du over 2x. From here, these two, all this 1 is over 1. This 2x is 2x over 1. 2x cancel 2x. You now have it to be equals to integral of u raised to power 3 multiplied by du. Now, we want to carry out integration of u raised to power 3. When you are solving this type of problem, when you are integrating u, it must be in terms of du. Is that okay to be u du? If there is, this is why we change it to du, is because we want to integrate u. Okay, it must have du and not dx. That's why in our substitution where we carry out assumption, we differentiate u with respect to x, and at the end we make u dx to be the subject of the formula so that you can substitute it back in the question. Now from here, what is the rule under integration? Under integration, when you're integrating a particular expression, is this. When you're having u raised to power n, now be u raised to power n plus 1, that's the rule, over n plus 1. You repeat the power at the denominator. Now let's carry out the same rule here. Now you have u raised to power 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus the constants. Now we are removing the integration, the integral sign. Immediately you remove the integral sign by integrating the expression. You have to introduce your constant, that is plus c, a constant. Is that okay? Now it will be equals to u raised to power 3 plus 1, that's 4, u raised to power 4 over 3 plus 1, that's 4, plus c. You don't stop there. You go back and replace your assumption back, because this is an assumption. Let u equals x squared plus 1. Replace your u back, because normally what you're having is x squared plus 1. Now with u is x squared plus 1 raised to power 4 over 4 plus c. Okay, that's our final answer. When you integrate 2x open bracket x squared plus 1 close the bracket raised to power 3 dx, they give you x squared plus 1 raised to power 4 over 4 plus c. That brings us to the end of the class. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates, and also don't forget to leave your question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class. Have a wonderful day.